And now for the very experimental part, for the magnolia. This is our pop-up potty for the lake in the summertime. So because the magnolia is new, newly planted this year, it's gonna need some added protection just in case, who knows what winter's gonna bring. So far we haven't had any really. Watch this thing explode on me now. So that's it, guys. That's my southern magnolia protection for the winter. And you can see I've got the bananas protected, and I've got the lights ready for the needle. And this is just gonna stay like this until we start getting consistent snow and cold. And then all I'll do is take the garbage cans I have and plop them over top of the needle and zip up the potty, and it'll be put away for the winter. It's got a few lights in the southern magnolia tent, if you want to call it that. So it will keep the sun off of it, because this spot is in the sun all winter long, and it should give it a little bit of extra heat if we get really cold nights. The only thing I'll have to watch out for is this frame collapsing, so I'll just have to regularly keep the snow off of it if we're getting lots of snow. So like, subscribe, feel free to drop a comment or ask a question at any time. Thanks for watching.